thing about the reading too is that you have to think about it. You know, like how fast you can read something seems to be a function of how complicated the words are. That would be function one. But the second function seems to be something like how many ideas there are per paragraph, or maybe per page. There are lots of ideas per paragraph in these readings. That's why I picked them. So you can't just zip through them. You have to think about them. And, well, that's a good thing, because if you do read them, you'll know a lot more at the end of the class than you did at the beginning of the class. And you'll find that that knowledge is extremely useful. I truly believe that this knowledge can change your life. Well, that's what it was generated for, right? It's generated by clinicians and personality psychologists. That's what they're out there to do. And they're out there to take unrevealed potential that could be anything and to hammer it and shape it into something that's hard and pure and solid. And you have to do a lot of reading and writing and thinking to get to a point like that, but it really beats the hell out of mucking about in the murk. And unfortunately, that's how many people live, and I've seen the consequences of that. And if you spend the next 30 years like that, you will be old by the time you're 50. And so I wouldn't recommend that. So it's worth doing the work. It's really worth it. So let's take a look now. Well, first I'll ask you if there are any questions.